This 717. I'm on pump gas, not 100 octane like him.
Alright guys, you're about to watch some races that went down at Mod to Fame Fest. But first, a huge shout out to Mod to Fame Stefan. Thank you very much for the invite. The event was an absolute blast. Whoever didn't go absolutely missed it. Next time Mod to Fame puts up an event like this, guys, trust me, go get your tickets. You're not going to want to miss out. Alright guys, we got Mod to Fame and Demonology. .1206 and 10.2. Demonology got it. All right, guys, here I go. My Hellcat going up against Demonology right here. He's putting some cameras in the car right now. I know I'm pretty much screwed, but I'm gonna give him my best shot.
No. I mean, we'll definitely do the full. I mean, the sportsman tree. That's what I like. I like a full sportsman.
I'm a rookie. I never drove this car.
Yeah. Look how he got the camera set for you too.
Oh, shit. Oh,
He set his own camera.
yo, you got your MDG license too?
No. License. We don't need no stinking license. Come on, man.
How much power are you making to the wheels?
This 717. I'm on pump gas, not 100 octane like him. I'm on 93 pump gas onto the gas.
Nice, nice. Nice. All right, guys, round two. Here we go. Demonology got him again.